First, open your browser. Then, search for Huawei Health. Click Install now. Click Install now once more. Click Continue Download. Then, click Download anyway. Open the APK file. Select Settings. Allow the installation of unknown apps. Wait for 10 seconds. Select OK. Now, you can install Huawei Health. Wait for a moment to scan for viruses. Open the security application from the home screen. Tap on Settings, then Boost Speed. Tap on Lock Apps and scroll down to Huawei Health. The app is now locked in memory. If you want to close all apps from the app switcher, Huawei Health won't be closed. Thank you for watching.